Imagine seeing someone smile, and instead of feeling happy, your first instinct is to run away. Sounds ridiculous, right? That's exactly what Smile by Meete Hattori does. It takes the most normal human expression and turns it into one of the most terrifying things I have ever seen in a horror manga. And trust me, once you start reading it, every single chapter gives you a new mystery, a new secret, or a shocking reveal that makes it impossible to put down. When people think of horror manga, they usually imagine ghosts, monsters, or gruesome creatures. But Smile proves that you don't need any of that. All it needs is a smile. The story follows Yoshi, a struggling journalist whose life has already fallen apart. One day, a couple who are members of a mysterious religious cult called Shinzo Society show up at his door. They are polite, calm, and welcoming, but both of them wears the exact same unsettling smile. At first, it just feels creepy. Yoshi notices something that changes everything. Couple gave him a pamphlet. Among the smiling faces, he recognizes his missing wife. From that moment, the story turns into an investigation that keeps getting darker with every chapter. One thing I absolutely loved about this manga is its pacing. Almost every single chapter ends with a new mystery, a shocking revelation, or another secret being uncovered. Just when you think you have figured out what's happening, manga throws another twist at you. Constantly raises new questions instead of giving easy answers, and that's exactly what kept me hooked. I honestly couldn't stop reading because every chapter made me think, okay, I need to know what happened. Another thing that makes Smile stand out is its atmosphere. Cult members never stop smiling. Everyone seems to know more than they should. People disappear without explanation. And the police and journalists seem terrified of investigating the organization. Deeper Yushi goes undercover, the more it feels like there's no escape. Then comes the psychological horror. This isn't a series that relies only on go. Instead, it slowly builds tension. Every conversation feels uncomfortable. Every smile feels fake. Every page makes you question who can actually be trusted. Horror comes from the uncertainty. You never know who's involved. You never know who's watching. That's what makes it so effective. Artwork deserves a lot of praise too. Hattori somehow manages to make smiling faces feel genuinely terrifying. Expressions are incredibly detailed. Even a silent panel can make you feel uncomfortable. It's honestly impressive how much fear the manga creates without needing the constant action or violence. But it's not perfect. The story is a slow burn and some explanation takes time. If you're expecting non-stop action, this might not be for you. If you enjoy psychological horror, cult mysteries, and stories that constantly keep you guessing, I think you will have an amazing time with this one. Series is still ongoing and 39 chapters have been released so far. So there are still plenty of mysteries left to uncover. Personally, I found this manga incredibly interesting and I would genuinely love to make a full manga recap covering all 39 chapters. So let me know in the comments, would you like to see a complete Smile manga recap? And if you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.